Hello and welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to work efficiently with articles that require migration after an article update, all while keeping a clear overview of any changes. Changes to migrated articles are clearly highlighted and can be reviewed and accepted manually. Let's take a look at how that works. You're working on a larger project that you update regularly. After an article update, a notification appears. Some articles in your project require migration. These articles are now marked with a red symbol in the article tree. This allows you to immediately see which products have been affected. When you click on a migrated article, a new section appears in the Properties tab. Here you'll find a table that lists all the attributes affected by the migration, with a clear comparison. On the left, the original value, and on the right, the updated one. This could mean that a certain configuration option is no longer available, or that a new one has been added. If you now make a manual change to one of the properties, the table updates automatically, allowing you to reconstruct the original configuration as closely as possible. This makes the changes not only transparent, but also easy to track and understand. Once you've reviewed and, if necessary, adjusted the article, you can complete the migration. Simply click Complete Migration. The red symbol will disappear, and the article will be marked as up to date again. Desired adjustments must be made individually for each position, even if an article appears several times in the list. Important to know, the migration status is stored only for the current session. That means if you reload the project, all articles will be considered reviewed, even if you haven't finished the migration process. So our recommendation: handle article migrations as part of your workflow right after updating, while the context is still fresh and changes are easy to identify. By consciously approving the changes, your project remains accurate and traceable. It also makes it easier to explain updates to customers or colleagues, reducing misunderstandings and saving time. With the new migration process in pCon.basket, you always stay in control of your article configurations, even in longer or more complex quoting workflows. Changes are now fully transparent and can be reviewed and accepted with confidence for greater clarity and reliability in your planning. If you'd like to learn more about pCon.basket, subscribe to our channel and give us a like. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.